it's me back again at the same day. We are going the way to this awesome Green Hare Street butterfly. I hope we see it because sometimes people are unlucky and lucky, so I don't know. Plus, if we don't see it, we're probably just gonna go this way, and yeah, so let's go.
Hoy, Arun, daghan.
Hello guys, today we are at Heathland Park and it is like near my cousin's house. So we've just started around 10 minutes it's been now, but it's already amazing. We can see lots of animals, not big ones, but like simple little songbirds and butterflies. And it's the perfect weather and time to be here. This is so amazing. And right now there are two options:
Oh, yun na yung
the history hike and wild walk. But we chose the wild walk. So here we are, and you can already see like so many animals. And if you liked my sharing, then please come to visit here. It's at Hounslow, yeah, just like right in front of the temple. And I hope we see you again. Bye. But also, don't forget to like, comment, and all of these things. Now, bye. Then that would be awesome. We just catch all of them. So hello, yes, we are back again at the same place, same time, same day. And we have just found some berries that are good for eating, so we are gonna eat them. But first we need to wash them. Actually, water bingon pa. Water bingon.
আমি জঙ্গলમાં walk કરીશું એકદમ રમાય લોબત. So we're in the jungle walking and it's very fun and hot. It's so nice.
So, hello guys, I'm here again at Heathland Park. Same day, yeah, everything like that. But look at what nature made for us. A 4-people bench. It is so amazing. And that's so good because there is 4 of us. My brother, me, my cousin sister, and my grandfather, who is basically doing the video. But just look how beautiful nature is. So this is the reason why we can't chop down trees anymore. We can't be selfish. We can't just think about money, because nature is helping us to develop and grow. So yeah, if you are just about to cut a tree, then please take my advice and don't be selfish. Bye. Back up.
Heathland jungle. Yeah.
So today I'm at Heathland Park. It is so good. Yeah, it's been so good. Like since my past few videos about today in Heathland Park has been awesome too. This one is also awesome. So we are going to be talking about nature in Heathland Park. Yeah. Starting off with trees. The trees are everywhere. Oak trees, most likely you'll see. They are like more than 100,000, honestly, I guess. maybe. And so I think that we should protect nature, right, guys? Yeah. So we can. We and it's not only about plants which are nature. We have to think about animals too. If you see a poor sick one, do you know what to do? Well, the answer is ask somebody. Like with me, I have my grandfather, and then we can figure this out together, or have help from another person. So, hello. Okay, so goodbye. I hope you listen and be planet and green friendly. Bye. Go. La 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 la.